Hey everybody, this video we're going to do a HY20 Lishi video picking and decoding a 2017 Hyundai accent lock, and then I'll cut a key for it. And go and put the Lishi all the way in. And this is Hyundai high security, but you only got to pick this one one time to get it to read. You don't have to pick it twice or anything. Zoom in a little bit here, but everybody can see. Okay, and put some tension on it on the heavier side here. And let's see, so okay, got odd numbers going up, so even numbers will be going down. And let's go through and look for binders. So 2 is binding. Okay, nothing else going up is binding, so we'll head to the bottom. And 1 is a little bit springy, we'll leave it alone. Okay, 3 is binding. Nice click on 3. Okay, 5 is binding. Nice click on 5, so we've got some rotation. Okay, 7 springy. Okay, I think 1 is actually binding now. Click on 1, more rotation. And now 7 is binding. So all the odd numbers, I believe, are set. So now we'll head back to the evens. So 2 is set. Okay, 4 is binding. Click on 4, and we're already open. So I didn't even have to do 6 or 8. So see if decode it here and see what's going on with that. Sometimes the tool will set them, or I might have maybe bumped one and set it accidentally, possibly. See if we can get zoomed in here to read it. All right, so we'll start with number 1, and 1 is reading a 4. Try to make sure you guys can see here. I think I can fix the zoom in post-production. Anyway, so go ahead and decode it here. So 1, reading a 4. 2 is reading a 3. Okay, 3 is reading a 2. 4 is reading a 5. Okay, 5 is reading a 2. 6 is reading a 1. 7 is reading a 4. And 8 is reading a 1. So go ahead and run it through lock codes here and make sure it's a valid code. And then we'll go ahead and cut a key for us. So we'll be right back. Alright, and I put our cuts through lock code fill and came up with a code of T1119. And went ahead and cut a key. So that's what our key actually looks like on the HY18 blank. And now for the moment of truth here. And I'm sure it'll work because these Hyundai Lishis usually decode pretty dead nuts on. That one's perfect. So there's the HY20 Lishi, picking and decoding. Questions or comments, please leave them in the comments, and I'll put a link to a Lishi playlist here if you want to see any other Lishi videos. I got tons of them on the channel, and that's going to do it for now, guys, and we will talk to everybody later.